Today we will learn Dutch about several words that are absorbed into Indonesian. But I'm not Dutch native, so the way I pronounce it, the best I can do. Again, I will keep repeating this. I don't have plan to do some surgery or to implant some liquid compartment in my throat or something like that, or change the shape of my tongue. I don't have plan for that, and I don't have Hermione necklace to stop the time and to kind of prepare the liquid from all over my body. So this is the best I can do to pronounce it. This column Dutch, this column English. Drill, drill, drill. Why I keep repeating that? Excited. Drill. Bore, bore. Screw, screw. Nut, moor. Bolt, bout. Solder, solder. This one, some Dutch might skip several words with the N pronunciation when some word has N and they just skip the N. But I'm not Dutch native and I cannot do telepathy. I cannot stop the time. I don't have the Hermione necklace. I don't want to write some words when it's supposed to be there's N letter there and it's not pronounced and I write it without N. What I supposed to do if I don't write the N because like that. So I have decided since long time ago, if the word has N at the end of the word, I will pronounce the N letter. I don't want to write it wrongly or incorrect. Some Dutch will pronounce this as soldeer, soldeer. I will pronounce this as solderen. Soldier, soldier, solderen. Cable, kabel. Switch, schakelaar. Wire. This one I'm not sure. This because it sounds a bit different in Indonesian, but I write it down because a bit similar maybe. But there's also possibility that this one taken from another language. Draad. Iron, icer, icer, icer. Socket or electric socket. Stove, contact. Stove, contact. I will not repeat. That is good enough, I think. Thank you.